Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can initiate a return and return some items on Temu. So let's get right into it. And for the purposes of this tutorial, I am using an online tutorial or an online article, so make sure to check it out as well if you wish to see how to return it, or if you have any other questions. But without further ado, let's get right into it. First, you need to go to the site or to the app and click on your orders and click return/refund. Here you'll be asked for a reason on why you're returning the item. Then you can answer whatever you would like, whether the item was defective, or it wasn't what you ordered, or it just came with some unexpected things, so you just want to return it. The form will ask for photos, so be prepared to have some photos of your item that you have bought, and of the damage or problem that was caused, and then you can provide it as evidence for the return. Then specify how you want to ship it back and whether you want to get your refund sent to your original payment method or want Temu credit. At this point in the return process, Temu displays the warning where you're only eligible one free return for every order, and then when returning items via the post office, that is when that applies. Other than that, if you have only one item to return and your post office is a lot closer than the nearest UPS store, it is much better to do it like that. Then in the future, just make sure not to order multiple items in one order, since you aren't eligible for a free return. And that's pretty much it. Just select the way you want to return it, select the payment method, then confirm the refund method, and then just once you do it, print a return label and start the return with the appropriate steps taken. And just make sure that you'll get your money back within 5 to 14 days and up to 30 days, work days, I think that is, or business days. And it'll only start the process once the product is received and has passed some sort of quality inspection, so make sure that it is a valid return. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.